हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एस्ट्रेस क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास के लिए सिलेबस आगे कर रहे हैं। इसमें चैप्टर 13 इज गोइंग ऑन स्टैटिस्टिक्स। ऑन दिस चैप्टर 13 दिस इज द फिफ्थ लेक्चर ऑन दिस चैप्टर 13. We have done 2 points here. Central tendency, 3 points are there, mean, median, mode. In that we have done mean, mode. Today we have to do third, median. These are the 3 central tendency of data. In that last videos, 4 lectures, we have explained everything. Okay, today we have to do the median only. Okay, now this median, what is the median? Median is the absolute in the center of all the data. I told that, and in these all 3 central tendency, all are in center. Central tendency of the data की, ठीक है, प्रवृत्ति उनकी केंद्रीय प्रवृत्ति. ओके, सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी. तो इन दैट दीज आर द 3 concepts, mean, median, mode. So where is the more reliable in the center? Exactly, absolute in the center. More reliable is median. Mean and mode also in center, but these are not. You will observe that. Okay. Now in this question number 1 of exercise 13.3 today. 13.2, 13.1 has been done. Okay. Now in this exercise application on the median. So median is for the grouped data. Okay, for the group data first we have to calculate the median class. What is the median class? How many total observations are there? Summation of f, that is called n, number of all the observation, number of all the data. So summation f, we have to check if it is even, you know, center. How can find? If it is even, then even by 2th observation, simple data के लिए, plus n by 2 plus 1th data and divide by 2, that is the median. तो median group we have to calculate in the grouped data. तो use this direct के summation f कितना है, that is n divide by 2. Okay, n divide by 2, that will be the middle group where that data include in which class, that will be the median class. As here you see in this, if you take here total of the frequency, summation of all the frequency in this question number 1. Question number 1, what is their monthly consumption in units given? Okay, in question number 1 in NCERT book. Okay, what is this? The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. 68 consumers हैं, तो n is 68. तो you can check summation f जो है fi, it will be equal to 68. You can check 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 4 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 8 28, 2 carry. Okay, then 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 1 6, then 68. So these are the 68 consumers given. So then summation f is 68. So then according to that 68 is even, divide by 2, then 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, then 34. So 34th observation means you have to calculate here CF. Okay beta, cumulative frequency you have to make CF. Okay, cumulative frequency means sum of all the frequency preceding class, then 4 as it is, then 5 plus 4 9. Second class cumulative frequency is 9. थर्ड क्लास 9 प्लस 13 ऐड कर दिए, 13 मेंबर कंज्यूमर यहाँ हैं इस ग्रुप में, 9 पहले हैं तो टोटल हो गया 13 प्लस 9 22. 22 प्लस 20 42. Cumulative means sum of all the frequencies up to that group. 2 plus 4 6, 4 plus 1 5, 6 plus 8 14, carry 1 5 1 6, 64 plus 4 then 68. So these are the cumulative frequency table we have made. After that we can find the median by this formula. What is the formula for the median? Lower limit L plus n by 2 minus Cf upon f whole into h. N is the number of all observation here 68. Cf cumulative frequency of one preceding class of the median class. So median class is calculate here n by 2. n by 2 तो ऑब्जर्वेशन कहाँ पड़ता है? मिड में, तो दैट इज द 34. n by 2 is 34. then 34th will be here in this group because 42 it is. After 22 23 24 all data, all observations in this class, because here 20 observations are there. So this is the median class. Okay beta, this is called median class. Median class. Calculate first this. How this calculate? I told you n by 2. n by 2th observation. Okay, we have to check this observation कहाँ पड़ता है. तो this is the 68 divided by 2 then 34th observation. Okay beta, so where is that 34th observation? It is in this 42. So median class is 125 to 45. So we should write, after that L we can write. What is L? Lower class, lower limit of the median class. Lower limit is 125 here. Okay, after that what is n? N is here 68. What is frequency f? F is the frequency of the median class. Median class frequency here 20. This is 20. Median class frequency is 20. And then what is Cf? Cumulative frequency of the one preceding class of the median class, that is 22. This is 22 here, this cumulative frequency. Okay, one preceding class from the median class. Median class is 125 to 145. So 125 is your lower limit. Then put here h. Also you write h is equal to class size, class interval 65 to 85, 85 to 105, upper limit minus lower limit is class size. Then it is here 20. So class size H is 20. Okay, now put here in the formula and calculate. In this question we have to calculate mean also and mode also, all three central tendency asking here. Okay, in this question, so it is revision of the all back exercises also. So now here what is median? Median will be equal lower limit 125 of the median class, that is L plus n by 2, n is 68, 68 by 2, 34, then 34 n by 2 minus CF is 22 whole divided by this F, frequency of the median class, that is 20, into H also 20 here, class interval, class size H. Then solve this multiply and divide 20 cancel, then it is 125 plus 34 minus 22, 34 minus 22, 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 12. So 125 plus 12, 137. Okay, beta? Then it is 137. Solve this. So this is your median M. Done. So median your this, and these are the number of units consumption in a family. ठीक है, कंज्यूमर्स के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ इतने कंज्यूमर्स है, इतनी फैमिलीज है. ओके, नाउ दिस डन. आफ्टर दैट मीन हाउ कैन फाइंड, मेक डाटा x, make x mid डाटा 65 प्लस 85 डिवाइड बाई 2. ठीक है बेटा, तो 75, देन 95, 20 ऐड कर दो, 20 ऐड करो, 115, फिर 20 ऐड कर दो. ओके बेटा, 135, देन 20 ऐड कर दो, 155, देन 20 ऐड कर दो, 175. After that add 20, 195. These are the x are the large, so mean we have to calculate. Then which formula? These are the three formula in the mean. You know mean formula, direct formula, assume mean method, and step deviation method. So step deviation method third we have to use. Then we calculate the mu I, mean deviation. But first you have to take value of A, assume mean, center data 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups है, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 group. तो middle fourth, this will be A is 135, always middle data, assume mean. Okay, 135. Then mu I formula, mean deviation, xi minus A divide by h. Okay, and h is here. What is h? H also you can write. H is here 20. Class size, you know what is h? Class size, h, class interval. Now calculate first I is 1. तो फर्स्ट डाटा x1 75 minus 135. ओके बेटा, 75 minus 135, 60 बेटा 60 डिवाइड बाई 20 डिवाइड बाई h 60 डिवाइड बाई 20 3 then 2 then 1 then 0 then minus 1 minus these are minus 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 because x minus a so minus 3 okay then this plus 1 2 3 okay now after this product of both mu I into fi frequency okay तो mu I your these and frequency these frequency बेटा तो 4 into minus 3 minus 12 5 into minus 2 minus 10 13 into minus 1 minus 13 then 20 into 0 0 then 14 into 1 14 then 8 into 2 16 then 4 into 3 12 to find the sum of all these product mu I and fi product of these okay sum of this column negative negative add and positive positive add then negative 10 10 20 30 35 minus 35 and positive 4 plus 6 10 10 plus 2 12 carry 1 then 4 42 and minus 35 7 then plus 7 so this is 7 so now we have to use the formula mean formula what is your mean okay क्योंकि मीन भी फाइंड करना है मोड भी फाइंड करना है तो व्हाट इज मीन फार्मूला मीन इज इक्वल टू एक्स बार इज इक्वल टू ग्रुप डाटा एंड स्टेप डेविएशन मेथड थर्ड वन तो एज यू मीन ए प्लस समेशन ऑफ mu I fi upon summation of fi into h. This is your step deviation formula of mean. Then mean is equal A, as you mean A 135 plus summation mu I fi is 7 divide by summation fi 68 into h is 20 okay clear 4 5 ja 20 divide by 4 4 1 ja 4 28 4 7 ja 28 ठीक है then 5 7 ja 35 upon 17 तो 135 plus divide by 17 to the 7 5 ja 35 upon 17 तो 17 2 जा 34.1 then decimal 0 10 ना जाने की 0 10 में 17 का टेबल नहीं जा रहा है, ठीक है। देन 100, 17 5 जा 85, ठीक है, 85, तो 17 5 जा 85, रिमाइंडर 15, 85 एंड 15 100, ठीक है। देन 15 10 150, 17 9 जा 117, 116, ओके। 17 9 जा 9, तो ज़्यादा आप छोड़ दो इसको, इतना रिमेनिंग कर लो बस, एंड सो ऑन। तो देन वी कैन से राउंडिंग में वो 7 जा 8 जा जाएगा 7 टेक्स्ट, ओके। तो मीन्स एक बढ़ जाएगा 100, डायरेक्ट यू कैन राइट 135 प्लस 2 37.06, एक ये बढ़ जाएगा क्योंकि ये आएगा 9, ओके, ठीक है। 150 में देन 8 दिस इज योर अप्रोक्सीमेटली, हमने ये राउंडिंग कर दिया। तो check this nearby, and then mode, similarly mode you can find, then mode is equal to, mode का formula lower limit L plus F1 minus F0, remember, upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 whole into H, this formula, then calculate. So L lower limit, पहले मीडियन क्लास है जैसे, ऐसे ही मोड क्लास लेनी है। मोड में हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी आल्सो 20 इन ऑल दीज, सो मोड क्लास आल्सो सेम क्लास, मोड क्लास, ओके बेटा। मोड क्लास आल्सो सेम 125 to 145, तो लोअर लिमिट L 125, ठीक है बेटा, प्लस दिस इज फ्रीक्वेंसी F1 20, 1 preceding F0 and 1 succeeding class frequency F2 14, F0 13, ठीक है बेटा, एंड F1 20, तो देन 20 minus 13 F0 अपॉन 22 जा 40, 2F1 minus F0 13 and minus F2 is 14, okay बेटा, and multiply by whole H is here 20. Now simplify 125 plus 20 minus 13 7, you see 7 upon 40 minus 13 minus 14, तो 14 and 13 27, तो 40 minus 27 13, okay, 13 and into 20. Now simplify, divide, it will come approximately in decimal, 7 2 is 14, 140 divided by 13, 140 divided by 13, तो 13 1 जा 13, तो 125 प्लस 13 1 जा 13, ओके, 13 1 जा 13, 1 10, डन, पुट 0, ओके, ना जाने की, फिर 0, देन 100, ओके, 13 7 जा 91, अप्रोक्सीमेट, तो अप्रोक्सीमेट वी कैन से, तो देन दिस इज योर मोड, तो ऐड हेयर, तो 135.7 approxi. This is mode. So you see here all three, 137, 137.06, and this, that is absolute in center 137. So mode is too much away from center, okay, then we can say like this. So you can do the all questions like this, all three in this practice done full. Now you can do other question number 2, okay. Similarly, one question more. Now I will do, ठीक है, similar. साफ करने में दिक्कत आ रही इससे, है ना, यस। Hello, now this question number 2. What is question 2 in NCERT? If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, median is given 28.5 of this distribution, okay. So median given, then here unknown is frequency of any class. So here frequency is given 5, x, 20, 15, y and 5. It means two frequencies unknown, y and x. Find these, and if total of the all frequencies 60 given, okay, find the values of x and y. Now here what is the median class according to median 28.5? So 28.5 in which group? It is 20 to 23, between that. So it is median class. So median class is according to the given median direct median class, we have to make final 20 to 30, and this is your median class, because median is given 28.5, it is in between 20 and 30. So from this lower limit of the median class is 20, other all information we can write. N is equal to number of all observations 60, okay beta. H is equal to class interval, class size, this is 10 to 20, 22 to 30, it is 10, H is 10, ठीक है बेटा, okay. Then other, what is median formula? Median formula L is plus median equal, ठीक है बेटा, median equal L plus n by 2 median minus CF divided by F of the median class into H. So what is F here? Median class frequency is here, median class frequency 20, median class frequency. Now CF, we have to calculate cumulative frequency table you have to make. Then 5 as it is, then 5 plus x, sum of all the frequencies continuously, then 5 plus 20, 25 plus x, then 25 plus 15, 40, 40 plus x, then 40 plus x plus y. Okay beta. After that add 5, then 45 plus x plus y. This is the sum of all the frequency. So this 60 is given. So this is equal to 45 plus x plus y. Okay. So one equation in x plus y is x plus y is equal, 45 will go this side, 60, 60 minus 45, 15. So x plus y 15, equation number 1. Okay. Now put in the formula here. Median equal, median given 28.5, put 28.5, put the values here in this formula. The median is 28.5 given. Okay, put here 28.5. Okay beta. Then plus L, lower limit equal, lower limit is 20. Okay beta. Lower limit of median class, that is 20. L is 20 plus n by 2, n is 60, 60 by 2, then 30 minus CF, one preceding class, CF is 5 plus x. Okay beta. What is CF? 5 plus x. These all information put here, then minus 5 plus x bracket, then minus 5 plus x, then minus x. Okay beta. Minus CF, minus 5 minus x, divide by f, frequency of the median class, that is 20, frequency also 20, and into h, h is here 10 into 10. Okay, simplify, 10 can this 2, then this 20 will come this side, 28 minus 20, then 8.5. ओके बेटा, 20 यहाँ प्लस में, राइट हैंड में इधर माइनस हो गया, एंड इक्वल टू 30 माइनस 5, 25 माइनस एक्स डिवाइड बाय 2. ओके, then 2 this side, 2 5 is 10, carry 1, 2 8 is 16, 1 17.0 is equal to 25 minus x. Simplify only. Okay beta, then x will come this side, x positive this side, and 17 will go that side. 25 minus 17, 8. Done. So x we got here 8. Now putting in equation 1. Okay beta, putting in equation 1. What is 1? This x plus y is 15. X plus y is equal to 15, and then put here x 8, then y is equal to 15 minus x means 8, then is equal to 7. तो y equal to 7. Done. So these your both answer, x and y answer 7 and 8. ठीक है, done. तो find the values of x and y. Done. Now similarly like this you can do the third question. Okay, third question is same. Below 20, below 25, below 30, like this given. What are calculating person having the 18 years onward but less than 60 years? Okay, 18 years or onward. तो then but less than 60 years, 60 years से less than है, below 60 है सारे, एंड वो पॉलिसी होल्डर जो है वो एज 18 से बड़ी एज के होने चाहिए. ठीक है, तो बिलो 20 मीन्स 18 to 20, वो 2 हैं ऐसे. ओके, ठीक है, बट यहाँ बिलो 25 यानी बिटवीन 20 to 25, 6 minus 2 4, like this you can make and you can solve that. Okay, here saying if policy are given only to persons having age 18 years onward but less than 60 years. Okay, 18 onward, so means here group you can make. First group will be up to 20, less than 20 or 18. Yeah, you can say 15 to 20. Okay, 15 to 20, then 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35. Like this you can take, and you can take here first frequency is 2, second group frequency 20 to 25, 6 minus 2 4, then 25 to 30, 24 minus 6. Okay, 18. Then after that 30 to 35, 45 minus 24, like this you can write. Okay, all these are given here cumulative frequency it means. Okay, below, below means you समझो below का मतलब क्या है, all less than 20, कितने हैं, 2 persons हैं, number of policy holder. So like this you can make here. I am making the table, you can solve by own. ठीक है, question number 3. I am making your table below data if given, how can make the group. Okay, understand question 3. बिलो का मीनिंग है कि लेस देन 20 से कम, तो मीन्स अब वो पॉलिसी होल्डर जो है वो कह रहे हैं 18 ईयर्स से ऊपर के हैं सब, तो वो इसमें फर्स्ट ग्रुप में आ जाएंगे 15 to 20, वो आपके 2 पर्सन हैं. तो अब आपका यहाँ पर जो फ्रीक्वेंसी बनानी होगी, ये क्युमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी हमें गिवन है, सम गिवन है, ये अंडरस्टैंड करना है यहाँ पर. ठीक है बेटा, इस क्वेश्चन में. ओके, लाइक दिस क्वेश्चन व्हेन बिलो, तो यू कैन से ग्रुप, फर्स्ट ग्रुप यू कैन से 15 to 20. ओके बेटा, वो कितने हैं, 2 पर्सन है, क्युमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी भी 2 हो गया. अंडरस्टैंड. बिलो 25, बिलो 25 का मीनिंग हमने उसे 20 से 25 में लेना है. बिलो 25 हमें दिए हैं 6, तो ये 6 गिवन है, यहाँ पर 6 गिवन है, तो 6 minus 2 4, इस ग्रुप में 4 आ जाएंगे, टोटल 6 है. बिलो 25 से लेस देन, वो इंक्लूडेड दैट आल्सो, बिकॉज 20 आल्सो लेस देन 25, तो ऑल number 6, then 6 minus 2, 4, like this. Below 30 means 30 to 25 to 30. अब below 30 कितने दिए? 24. This is community frequency given. 24 you can write, 45 all, then 78, then 89, then 92, then 98, then 100. ओके, यू सी बिलो 30 24 है, तो वो बिलो 25 6 थे, वो भी इसमें इंक्लूड हैं 24 में. तो ग्रुप बिटवीन 25 टू 30 हाउ मच विल बी? 24 माइनस 6, दैट विल बी 18. ये फ्रीक्वेंसी निकल जाएंगी ऐसे, ठीक है. फिर 30 टू 35, 5 का गैप है. 45 माइनस 24, ओके. 5 माइनस 4 1, 4 माइनस 2 2, 21. देन 35 टू 40 इस ग्रुप में. 78 माइनस 45, तो 8 माइनस 5 3, 8 minus 5 3, 7 minus 4 3, then 42 45, ओके. 89 माइनस 78 फ्रीक्वेंसी आ जाएगी. 9 माइनस 8 1, 8 माइनस 7 1, 11. After that 45 to 50, that 92 minus 89, तो 12 minus 9 3, 8 minus 8 0, then 52 55, 98 माइनस 92, तो 8 माइनस 2 6, देन 100 माइनस 98 2, लास्ट 55 टू 60 लास्ट ग्रुप. तो दीज डाटाज गिवन बिलो 20, below 10, below 30. So we have to make the group between 0 to 10, 10 to 20, like this. How much difference is there in the given question? Below 10, below 20, below 30. Okay. Now below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35. So class interval here 5. So H here 5. H how much? 5. Okay. Now after that what we have to calculate here in this question? Asking calculate the median age. तो median, तो डायरेक्ट median we can take lower limit पहले median class. Median class means total of the frequency कितनी है? 100. तो n is equal to 100, ठीक है. That is called summation of all the frequencies. Okay, 100. So now you can take here lower limit according to 50 data will be here. This is your median class. Okay beta. Median class, first you decide according to the number of all observation divide by 2. तो मीडियन क्लास 78 में आ गई चूँकि 50 बनता है, 50 डाटा यहाँ होगा, 45 के बाद 46, 48 ऑल यहाँ आएंगे 78 तक, तो 35 to 40 मीडियन क्लास आपकी 35 to 40. Then it means lower limit is L 35. Formula L plus, you know I return L into, ठीक है, L plus n by 2. n by 2 means 100 by 2. 50 n by 2 minus CF. CF is one preceding class cumulative frequency, that is 45. CF here 45. I put direct in the formula, okay beta, and divide by frequency of the median class. Median class frequency is 33. So it is 33. Be careful. F. Median class frequency into H. H is your 5. H here 5. Then simplify this. Then 35 plus 50 minus 45. 5 upon 33 into 5 H. Then 5 5 is 25. Then 35 plus 25 upon 33. तो 25 upon 33 डिवाइड, तो ना जाने कि 0 यानी 0.250 डिवाइड बाई 33. ओके, 8 जा देखो, 8 3 जा 24 एंड 2 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, 7 3 जा 21, 7 3 जा 21 एंड 2 23. ठीक है, 250 में 8 जा ज़्यादा हो गया तो 7 जा 33, 7 जा 3 7 जा 21, 2 कैरी, 3 7 जा 21 एंड 2 23. तो 250 माइनस 231, तो 9 1 19. तो 19 इज 190 डेसिमल, तो 190. ओके ओके, 6 जा 7 6 जा 42, 4 कैरी, नहीं सॉरी 6 6 3 जा 18 1, 6 3 जा 18 1 19, ज़्यादा हो गया तो 5 जा चलेगा, 5 3 जा 15 एंड 1 16. 10 minus 5 5 and then 22. 2 8 minus 6 2 25. Then again 250. Then again 7 जा, again 5 जा, ऐसे चलता रहेगा and so on. ठीक है, so this approximately 7, यहाँ एक डिजिट बढ़ा दो, 7 5 की जगह कर दो 7 6, तो 35 पॉइंट ऐड कर दिया, 7 राउंडिंग कर दिया सेकंड प्लेस तक 6. ओके, अप्रोक्सीमेट ये आपका मीडियन हो गया. डन. ठीक है बेटा, okay, done. So like this you can do, like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the other contact and guide them. They must watch, like, share and subscribe the channel and send your feedback in the comment box. Thank you.